Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is surpass. It is pronounced Surpass and is spelt S-U-R-P-A-S-S. That's a double S. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Surpass is a verb that means to exceed or go beyond in amount, extent, degree, or achievement. It is often used to describe someone or something that is better, greater, or stronger than another. For example, you could say, the athlete surpassed his own personal best in the race. Or, the technology surpassed all expectations. The word surpass comes from the Latin words sur, meaning over, and passus, meaning step. In the movie Moana, Moana surpasses the expectations of her people and her family by venturing beyond the reef to save her island. She faces numerous challenges but ultimately succeeds in her quest. Synonyms for surpass include exceed, outdo, excel, and outstrip. Antonyms for surpass include fall short, fail, and lag behind. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Surpass. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.